All my tailors, my master Gs, my helpers, my staff, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. I really didn't plan on doing this. Oh, okay. Arif, my brother, thank you so much. You know what you mean to me. Shubhangi, Prasad, for being the best team ever and being there for me. Thank you. My models for my very first campaign, I think you should keep tissues ready. My models for my very first campaign were not professional models, but they were my friends, they were my babies. Seher, Oro, Arunima, Shilpa, Kashish, thank you so much for doing it with no cost, really. Hi, thank you. Thanks for the light. Let the light be there, please. It's too hot. Come. Come, ready? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a dream, an absolute dream. And I know I have a script here, but I don't even know if I'm going to be able to follow it. But I'm going to try to keep it short because this is really overwhelming for me. Yeah, okay. Let's go by the script. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to an event that is oh so special to me. Yes, it is an event, but I would like to call it an outcome of a small moment in time. It was an evening of some me time, some reflecting upon my life, and a decision in that very second, where I wrote a note to myself in November 2016 about how I was going to have my very own fashion line. I'm really blessed to have been loved for my times as a model, my roles in Bollywood, my dance, my stint in the reality television space, of course, my experience of almost 1,200 shows as the lead of the world's biggest Bollywood musical, Zangura, and also for a very, very special kind of love for my sense of fashion. And mind you, I'm not talking about the fashion critics here, although they do love me, but I'm talking about the love I receive from my fans, who I lovingly call my crazy lot.
Hello, Gauhar. This is Amisha from Japan. The way you dress and the way you carry yourself in any dress is phenomenal.
And I personally connect with you so much because of so many things, so many reasons, and that is why you're just more special to me after my parents.
I am definitely waiting for GK's fashion line to launch because I know it's going to be something different and unique and going to reflect who she is as a person.
I like Gohar's fashion sense because whatever she wears, she looks absolutely gorgeous in it.
I just love the fact that she's so humble, patient, and kind, and she's a beautiful soul, and no doubt in that. But yeah, thank you, Gohar, for teaching me to love and to respect everyone.
If you're watching this, best of luck with your fashion line. I hope it's a success like all your other ventures. And I just want to say, I heart you.
I promise you, I'm planning not to cry tonight. I live by this love, ladies and gentlemen. Hence, I decided that what would be the most apt thing to do to reciprocate their love and give them something that they all have been waiting for such a long time. I love how girls of all ages want to know where I shop or how I put things together or my style mantras, etc. It feels amazing to receive pictures of girls who dress like me and, of course, hashtag words like confident, strong, level-headed, not to me, but to themselves. I wanted to name my brand based on that very sentiment. Ladies and gentlemen, this is like getting a little overwhelming for me. I do believe that clothes are your strongest expression. I also wanted to show my gratitude for the love I receive from my supporters, my fans, my followers, who I call my crazy lot because they are as crazy as I am. Hence, ladies and gentlemen, here is the name of the brand, a title that was given to me by all their love. The curiosity levels have always been very high, and I have been asked many a times over the last, of course, since the announcement that I was going to have my fashion line, too many times, what is it going to be called? And many a times I have wondered if I should tell them what the brand could be. Ladies and gentlemen, I finally give you my heart, my love, all my hard work put together in all these years with the support of so many people. I'm ready, ladies and gentlemen. Are you? Ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna count it. All right, we're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, my brand. Yeah, it is called Gorgeous. I'm trying very hard. As I had earlier said, the thought in my head that was conceived in November 2016 slowly and steadily began to see life. Somewhere in April 2017, I knew that I had to do it without any big backing, investments, or guidance. I would have had to rely upon my instincts, my belief in the Almighty, and my vision for it all to have to, fall in place. But this wouldn't have been possible without the people who supported me, showed me ways to learn the nitty-gritties of the business, work for lesser amounts, and had complete faith in me and in the vision of Gorgeous. My beginning will be absolutely incomplete, ladies and gentlemen, if I don't thank them from the bottom of my heart today. Firstly, Kannan and Grishma, I don't know if you're here. Hi! Kannan and Grishma, thank you for having the largest heart in helping me set up my baby steps, and you know what that means. Really, thank you so much. Without you, I really wouldn't have been able to do this. Honestly, really. Aneri, ladies and gentlemen, my design head, assistant, my teacher, my first employee on Gorgeous, thank you so much for doing more always. All my tailors, my master Gs, my helpers, my staff, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. I really didn't plan on doing this. Oh, okay. Arif, my brother, thank you so much. You know what you mean to me. Shubhangi, Prasad, for being the best team ever and being there for me. Thank you. My models for my very first campaign, I think you should keep tissues ready. My models for my very first campaign were not professional models, but they were my friends, they were my babies. Seher, Oro, Arunima, Shilpa, Kashish, thank you so much for doing it with no cost, really. My photographers, Himang Shah and Mohit Varu, thank you so much. You know what you did, thank you. Kajol, where are you? For being my newest baby, but having the enthusiasm to be involved in everything. Thanks, Kajol. Vishal Mehta, thank you for printing, and some more printing, but with so much patience. I don't know where you are, but you know what I mean. JW Marriott Sahar, Mumbai, for a fabulous location for the very first campaign, and it shall always be so, so special. Promise you just a few more. Terbium Solutions for a fabulous job on my website. Thank you so much. You will see the website soon. And I assure you it's going to be fabulous because it's of amazing standards. Thank you. Venture One Innovations Private Limited, Sailesh, Aditi, Nitin, and team for putting up this amazing launch event at just with all your heart at I don't know, don't even know how to thank you guys. This is my dream project and you guys made it true. Thank you so much. Shaju, thank you for being the most amazing, amazing, amazing person ever to have worked with. Work is different, but you know what you mean to me. To all the professionals, individuals who have engaged with me over the years and made me a better human being. Thank you to the press, always, for being so kind. Really, I really appreciate it. Yeah. Whew. Devki, I know she's not here and she's not even woken up yet, but she's all the way in America. Thank you, Devki, for putting me on the fashion scene in a way that no one else ever did. My stylist who lives all the way in America and does the best for me. And guess what? For the first time today is the launch of Gorgeous and she hasn't styled me. It's just gorgeous on me. But thank you, Devki, so much. I really, really appreciate it. And I know I'm going to miss out a few names, but I'm sorry if I have missed out on a few names. Caso Media, thank you so much for putting this up. The turnout and this event is amazing. To my friends who are also my family, everybody who was attending here, to have always inspired me, guided me, advised me, also praised me for my fashion sense from time to time. That was priceless, and you know what I mean. And everybody else who I'm missing. Mel, thank you for everything that you are. Your support is priceless, and everything that you do for me, and the special music that you created for Gorgeous, I wouldn't have been able to match that with any other piece of music. So thank you so much. To my family, thank you, Cospa, thank you, Zax, and thank you to all their family members, the kids, their husbands. Asabai for always being my greatest support. My brother, he's not here, and he would have loved to be here. He's my greatest support, my child also at the same time. Asabai, thank you for always treating me like I'm your biggest superstar. No matter who came, he would be like, "Nay, God, tu sabse best hai." So, my brother, thank you. My Nicks, who you all know as Nigar Khan. Thank you. I don't know how you're here. You were supposed to be in some other country. But thank you for helping me with this project because I knew it was deserving to see the light. Nicks, with all your work you put in and all your time, your knowledge, and your hard work, I'm forever indebted, and you know that. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I know nobody likes thank you speeches, but this was very important. Lastly, Mom, Dad, I call Mommy, Papa, thank you for giving me the freedom to dream, for letting me follow them and achieve the goals that I set out for myself with no backing ever except your support. I have only always wanted to make you proud, and today, your youngest turns a businesswoman. So, thank you. I need a tissue. Ladies and gentlemen, the making of Gorgeous. This wouldn't be complete without me thanking Allah. Thank you so much for... This is actually a dedication to every girl out there or every guy out there who dared to dream. So this is for you. And guess what? We were worried about it being really hot, but God really loves me. It's so pleasant. It's drizzling a little bit right now, but I guess we should be fine. All right, before we go ahead, without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the moment that we have all worked so hard for, and I'm sure by now you guys are waiting for it with bated breath. My brand, ladies and gentlemen, with pride, Gorgeous Online in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I somehow love being in gold and in glitter. Oh, God. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, today is twice as special because I wanted to launch Gorgeous on a day that is so significant to the person in my life who I would define as the most gorgeous woman, person I have ever known since I was a child. Ladies and gentlemen, today is my mother's birthday. May I take this opportunity to please call my parents on stage, my mom, my dad, my sister, for the cake cutting ceremony. Thank you. And with that, later, we will be breaking for the press. But just 2 more minutes and we'll be done. Thank you. so cute. She's come all the way, although she's expecting. That's so cute. God bless her. Come, darling. Come in. Thank you so much. And we'll be open to the press right now. If you have any questions on stage, we can take that. Otherwise, we're going to have a personal session. We're good? All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I will talk to you all personally. Thank you so much for being here. It means a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Check. So great dreams do come true. Congratulations, Gauhar, once again to your journey. Thank you very much, ladies and
गौर मॅडम जरा इकडे समोर आनंदित आहे ना गौर मॅडम आनंदित आहे ना आनंदित आहे ना परफेक्ट फाल्गुनी मॅम अरे मैडम फ्लैश है और ये गौहर यहाँ पे हाँ ब्रो यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे भी
I'm coming. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just meet my guests.
I'm here.
Thanks, guys. I'm coming in 2 seconds. Yeah?
क्यों नहीं आई विजय? तुम चुप रहो, तुम्हारे पास बड़े रीजंस होते हैं हमेशा लाइक
यार है ना तेरा इवेंट बस क्या कर रहे तुम बैग मिल रहा है ब्रांडेड
Hi, thank you. Thanks for the light. Let the light be there, please. It's too hot. Come ready? थोड़ा मीडी रखना प्लीज, बहुत गर्मी है. हाँ चलिए बोलिए. Thank you.
फाइनली आपका ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट
Yeah.
तो आज लॉन्च हो गया
जी.
आप कल में काफी ब्यूटीफुल भी लग रही है.
Thank you.
दिमाग में कहाँ से आया आपको ये
दिमाग में पूरी स्टोरी बता दी मैंने आपको. दिमाग में ऐसे आया कि एक दिन मैंने अपने आप को सोचा कि क्योंकि लोग मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि मेरा खुद का एक फ़ैशन लाइन हो, क्योंकि मेरे जो चाहने वाले हैं उन्हें मेरा फ़ैशन सेंस पसंद आता है, तो इसलिए मैंने कहा व्हाई नॉट, बिकॉज कोई ड्रीम बड़ा नहीं होता आपको अचीव करने के लिए, तो अगर आप मेहनत करें तो वो हो सकता है. इसलिए मैंने मेहनत की और ये हो गया.
कब से आया था
जी.
आपका देखा जाए तो फिर गॉर्जियस के बारे में
2016 मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला. जी
काफी इमोशनल भी हो
जी.
गई थी आप अपनी फैमिली भी आपको
जी जी बिल्कुल इमोशनल मोमेंट है. एक मैं अपनी फैमिली की सबसे छोटी लड़की हूँ, एंड फॉर मी टू टर्न इनटू अ बिजनेस वुमन विद नो बैकिंग एंड नो सपोर्ट, जस्ट डूइंग इट ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ. आई थिंक इट्स ओनली अबाउट थोड़ी हिम्मत होनी चाहिए और कोई भी कुछ भी कर सकता है.
तो आपने आज मॉम का बर्थडे भी
जी
आपने पहले डिसाइड किया था कि
जी बिल्कुल, पहले डिसाइड किया था कि कौन सा स्पेशल दिन होगा जिस पे मैं गॉर्जियस लॉन्च करूंगी, और आज गॉर्जियस लॉन्च हो रहा है मेरी मॉम के बर्थडे के दिन, तो इससे बेहतर दिन और कोई हो ही नहीं सकता था।
गौर, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कितनी स्ट्रगल्स करनी पड़ी, कितने सैक्रिफाइस करने पड़े आपको इस ब्रांड को
सैक्रिफाइसेस तो टाइम का, बिकॉज मेरे पास सैक्रिफाइसेस टाइम का, बिकॉज मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं बचता था। मैं अपना प्रोफेशनल काम भी करती हूँ, ऑब्वियसली ट्रैवल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड देन टू बी अ बिजनेस वूमन बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है। हर एक कपड़ा सोर्स करना, उसे डिज़ाइन करना, उसे मैन्युफैक्चर करना। मेरा कोई बाहर का फैक्ट्री नहीं है जहाँ मैं कपड़े दे रही हूँ और उठा रही हूँ, बल्कि मैं खुद मैन्युफैक्चर कर रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत।
थोड़ा वेबसाइट के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा।
जी, वेबसाइट गॉर्जियस, इट्स कॉल्ड गॉर्जियस, एंड व्हाट बेटर नेम, क्योंकि उसमें मेरा नाम भी है, एंड व्हाट आई स्टैंड फॉर, माय ब्रांड इज़ फॉर द गर्ल्स हु फील कॉन्फिडेंट, और जो चाहती हैं कि अपना सोच रख के ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ें, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू बी गॉर्जियस। नो रिसेंटली, हाँ या I will talk about my other work today. Gorgeous is on my mind. Let me just talk about that. Thank you. I will do everything. I do everything possible. Whatever comes my way, I take up the best out of it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Ma'am, you become a very emotional while press
Yeah.
conference. It is a very difficult to survive in this industry as a
Yeah.
women,
Yeah.
single women,
Yeah.
outsider.
Yeah.
What is your thought?
माई थॉट इज़, अगर आप चाहते हैं, अगर आपके पास एक सपना है तो आप कर सकते हैं। अगर आपके अंदर वो हिम्मत है और आपके अंदर वो फोकस है, आप कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
मिडिल कैमरा पकड़ लेते हैं। हाँ जी, ठीक है।
गौतम, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज गौहर के फैशन लाइन?
यार बहुत खुश हैं, इन्होंने अपनी खुद की फैशन लाइन खोली है, गॉर्जियस। या सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर हर। बहुत खुशी की बात है जब एक दोस्त इतनी तरक्की कर रहा हो, इतना अच्छा कर रहा हो लाइफ में। एज इन वी आर रियली हैप्पी फॉर।
I think for anybody, I think for any person, dreams play a very important part. And बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब किसी की भी dreams पूरी होती हैं, and when you start accomplishing things one after the other, and like we saw, it was a very overwhelming thing for I think everybody present here, how she launched her brand. I think it's very inspiring also for everybody to start creating things of their own, and many congratulations to her and all the best, so that she does well, her brand does well.
Yeah.
So Gautam, how you refer, कितना आप यूज़ करते हैं ये ऑनलाइन साइट्स, शॉपिंग एंड
शॉपिंग के लिए ये ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हैं?
मैं बहुत करती हूँ एक्चुअली। आई थिंक गर्ल्स ओनली डू इट अ लॉट, एंड आजकल इट्स बिकम अ लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑन वेबसाइट्स डिफरेंटली, सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड स्टेप इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैपिटलाइजिंग द मार्केट आल्सो,
and
एंड
she's got a very good fan following, so that'll really help her. That'll really help her.
उदयपुर में कितना शॉपिंग किया आपने, सुन थोड़ा बहुत?
उदयपुर में हम एक्चुअली वी वेंट देयर फॉर अ लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल, तो शॉपिंग एक ही दिन था, तो हमने वी इन्वेस्टेड दैट इन साइट सीइंग एंड ऑल, तो मार्केट्स इतना नहीं देखे, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम मे बी होपफुली we'll try.
यार साथ में गए थे यार। किधर कितने खर्चे हुए? यार खर्चे नहीं था, सब स्पॉन्सर्ड था तो बच गए, तो ज़्यादा खर्चे नहीं हुए थे। मगर फेस्टिवल के लिए गए थे, अटेंड किया, थोड़ा घूमे, और ज़्यादा दिन आई थिंक एक दिन और रुके थे हम लोग, बस वहाँ पे बस थोड़ा सा किया, और लोग थोड़े मीडिया के दोस्तों से मिले और वापस आ गए। यार एक चीज़ पे काम चल रहा है, एक स्क्रिप्ट पे काम चल रहा है। आई एम वर्किंग विद अ प्रोड्यूसर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन कॉल्ड मिस्टर संजय बादवा, स्फेयर ओरिजिन के साथ। सो एक सीरीज़ पे काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग। सो बेसिकली उसका बैकड्रॉप कश्मीर है और स्पोर्ट्स है, सो उस पर काम चल रहा है, तो बहुत जल्द देखने को मिलेगा आप सबको। थैंक यू।
अरे विजुअल्स रे यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं
सर यार
वो मात में
थैंक यू।